Please join me at the Professional Pricing Society's Spring Workshop and Conference, held at the lovely Lowe's Chicago O'Hare Hotel. On April 24th, I will be leading a workshop entitled Using Unit, Good, Better, Best Versioning, and Bundling to Price Anything as a Service in Technology Today. Based on over 20 years of experience and direct academic research, you will find concepts that you can put in place today. If you're working in cybersecurity, artificial intelligence, or any business software, you will find something useful in this workshop. Eligible for 1 CPP credit towards your Certified Pricing Professional designation. See you then.